Does her memory haunt you every night? The Stoicism mindset is your path to break free, turning pain into strength and obsession into freedom. 9 lessons will lift her weight, spark your growth, and rebuild your worth. Tired of carrying her shadow? Let's rise now. The Stoicism mindset begins with a truth simple yet bold. You can't change her absence, but you can free your mind. Stoic philosophy teaches you control your thoughts, actions, and peace, not her ghost or broken promises. Obsession fuels anxiety, raising stress by 22%, studies show, draining mental health. The Stoicism mindset counters this, using discipline to reclaim your spirit. Meet Vero, a 30-year-old calligrapher from Kyoto. Memories of a lost love stalled his ink, his scrolls blank. I was stuck in her shadow, he says. Stoicism for beginners freed his mornings, his art now gracing temples. Vero's rise fuels Stoicism motivation for all. Why does the Stoicism mindset free you? It turns your mind into a shield, blocking her shadow. Marcus Aurelius said, "Reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears." Discipline, the heart of Stoicism mindset, boosts focus by 30%. Research confirms, grounding your worth. In Stoicism relationships, this quiets obsession, building strength in your soul. Your pain becomes fuel, sparking Stoicism on love and growth. Meet Auren, a 32-year-old luthier from Lisbon. Auren's fixation on an ex dulled his strings, his guitar's silent. I lived in her past, he says. Stoicism lessons cleared his mind, crafting prized instruments. Auren's chords radiate Stoic pulse. Here are 9 lessons the Stoicism mindset unveils to break free daily. First, release her hold. The Stoicism mindset starts with no contact. Block texts, mute ex posts, journal. I choose peace over pain. Reflect nightly. Did I stay free? Meet Liz, a 29-year-old weaver from Marrakesh. Liz's obsession over an ex faded her looms until Stoicism motivation cut ties, selling vibrant textiles. I wove my freedom, she says, boosting mental health. The Stoicism mindset makes her absence your strength. Embracing your worth is the second lesson the Stoicism mindset champions. You are whole without her. Morning affirmations, I am enough. And listing strengths like courage or wit build unshakable resolve. Act daily. Learn a skill. Lift weights. Meet Varen, a 34-year-old sculptor from Athens. Varen's fixation on a lost love cracked his stone until Stoicism practice affirmed his value, carving masterpieces. I became my own art, he says, driving productivity. The Stoicism mindset roots your worth in you, not her. Controlling your triggers is the third lesson the Stoicism mindset embraces. Her traces, songs, places spark obsession. Identify one trigger, her favorite cafe, and avoid it, affirming, I own my mind. Meditate 5 minutes with calm. Meet Saria, a 31-year-old florist from Bogota. Saria's memories of an ex wilted her blooms until Stoicism for women taught her to sidestep triggers, growing her shop. I stopped reliving her, she says, reducing anxiety. The Stoicism mindset guards your peace, strengthening Stoicism relationships. Focusing on growth is the fourth lesson the Stoicism mindset unveils. Obsession traps you in the past. Growth pulls you forward. Set a 30-day goal. Read 10 pages daily. Run 3 miles. Join a class, journal. What did I build today? Meet Taryn, a 33-year-old falconer from Mongolia. Taryn's fixation on an ex stilled his birds until Stoicism practice fueled fitness and skills, training falcons for shows. I soared beyond her, he says, boosting productivity. The Stoicism mindset channels pain into purpose. Practicing detachment is the fifth lesson the Stoicism mindset champions. Detachment frees you from her emotional grip. Visualize her fading. I'm whole alone. Delete 1 memento weekly, her photo. Practice mindfulness with Headspace. Meet Elira, a 28-year-old poet from Cape Town. Elira's obsession over Eniar silenced her verses until Stoicism motivation taught detachment, publishing a collection. I let her ghost go, she says, enhancing mental health. The Stoicism mindset makes freedom your power. Cultivating discipline is the sixth lesson the Stoicism mindset unveils. Discipline anchors your resolve, turning chaos into clarity. Start a habit: 10 minutes journaling tracked for 30 days. Say, I choose action over longing. When tempted to check her ex, walk instead. Meet Zevra, a 35-year-old midwife from Lima. Zevra's fixation on a lost love stalled her care until Stoicism practice built a morning routine, saving lives. Discipline was my light, she says, driving self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset ensures freedom lasts. Facing her memory with courage is the seventh lesson the Stoicism mindset champions. Her shadow, old texts, dreams, tests your resolve. Visualize staying steady. Her memory doesn't own me. Seek a friend's support, affirm, I'm stronger than her echo. Meet Auren, a 30-year-old vintner from Tuscany. Auren's obsession dulled his vines until Stoicism for beginners taught him to face memories, bottling a prized vintage. I conquered her shadow, he says, reducing anxiety. The Stoicism mindset solidifies your Stoic pulse. Living in the now is the eighth lesson the Stoicism mindset embraces. Her memory traps you in what was. Mindfulness roots you in what is. Focus on senses. 5 minutes on your breath. Single task. Feel the sun's warmth. Say, I'm here now. Meet Naira, a 32-year-old astronomer from Santiago. Naira's fixation dimmed her stars until Stoicism daily mindfulness sharpened her research, publishing findings. I found my present, she says, boosting productivity. The Stoicism mindset makes freedom vibrant. Practicing gratitude is the final lesson the Stoicism mindset unveils. Gratitude shifts focus to abundance, a friend, a dawn. Seneca said, what need is there to weep over parts of life? The whole of it calls for tears. Write 3 gratitudes nightly, say 1 morningly, thank someone weekly. Meet Auren, a 31-year-old weaver from Jaipur. Auren's obsession faded his patterns until Stoicism for men sparked gratitude, crafting bold textiles. I saw my riches, he says, boosting self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset weaves freedom into your soul. The Stoicism mindset transforms pain into power. Physically, habits ease stress, boosting mental health. Mentally, focus carves clarity, fueling motivation. Emotionally, gratitude fosters peace, aligning with Stoicism on love. Spiritually, you live your truth, embodying Marcus Aurelius's call. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Picture waking free, your heart light, your path clear. Take Kala, a 27-year-old dancer from Havana. Kala's obsession over an ex halted her rhythm until the Stoicism mindset freed her, earning a stage. I became my dance, she says, radiating Stoic pulse. Or meet Taryn, a 29-year-old blacksmith from Galway. Taryn's fixation dulled his forge until Stoicism practice sparked growth, crafting blades. I hammered my freedom, he says, boosting motivation. Ready to break free with the Stoicism mindset? Here are 10 Stoicism exercises for Stoicism for beginners, igniting mental health, clarity, and purpose. Freedom. Vow. Write. I commit to 30 days of freedom from her memory. Mark each day. This boosts motivation. Worth anchor. Say, I am whole, listing 3 strengths daily. This drives self-improvement. Trigger shield. Identify 1 trigger, her song, and affirm, I control my peace. This reduces anxiety. Growth spark. Set a 30-day goal. Read, exercise, and track progress. This enhances productivity. Detachment flame. Delete 1 memento weekly saying, I'm free without this. This fosters mental health. Discipline forge. Start a habit, 5 minutes meditation, and say, action is my strength. This builds Stoic pulse. Courage pulse. Picture her memory and affirm, I'm unmoved. This strengthens Stoicism relationships. Presence glow. Focus on senses for 5 minutes during a task. This boosts mindfulness. Gratitude lens. Write 3 gratitudes and 1 lesson nightly. This drives self-improvement. Purpose. Compass. Visualize your goal. Act daily. Journal. How? Did I live free? This fuels motivation. Vero's ink, Auren strings, and Taryn's blades prove one truth. The Stoicism mindset shatters obsession to build a life unbound. For 30 days, embrace one Stoicism exercise. Affirm your worth, face her memory, or give thanks and journal your rise. In a month, you'll stand whole, unshaken, free. Her shadow is your storm, your Stoicism mindset is your victory. Forge your path now. Searching for daily peace? Hit that subscribe button and share a line. Below to connect with the Stoic community.